Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. For the first DIY, I'm going to take this snow globe from Dollar Tree and I'm going to paint the back of it and I'm going to give a new look. And I'm taking this beautiful gift wrap paper which is red and it's got like nice green plaid design on it, and I wanted to cover that as a background for the snow globe. Using the glue stick, I'm going to stick it, and I think glue stick works best for me rather than Mod Podge, so I'm going with that. Now my snow globe is well stuck without any air bubbles in it, and I'm going to trim the edges. The scissor is not helping me much, so I'm going to go with this box cutter, and I'm going to basically carve around this. I don't know, this technique always helps and works for me, so I'm going with this. Now my snow globe is all ready. Now it is ready to be decorated. I have two of these wooden cutouts. One is Let It Snow, one is Mary. I'm thinking to go with Mary, and I'm painting that with the white paint from Dollar Tree. And this is not that great, but it helps. So I'm going with this paint and I'm going to let it dry and give another coat to get like nice coverage. The Mary wooden cutout is dry and ready to be decorated, and I'm taking a little bit of a hot glue and I'm finding the right place to stick it. I'm thinking to stick in the center, and yeah, that looks good. Now I want to cover the wooden surface around the globe, so I'm just taking this red gingham ribbon, which is going with the same color scheme with this whole project. Using a dab of a hot glue, I'm going to stick around the snow globe curvature. Now I'm going to take another piece of a ribbon around that, and I'm going to stick it, and I wanted to attach a bow just to finish the look. I created this cute small bow and attached one of the wooden green color button in the center, and I stuck it, and this is done. So what do you think? This project is in collaboration with Minnie's Challenge, and this is hosted by Corie over Crafted by Corie, and the theme is Winter Challenge, and I will leave the link of her channel as well as the playlist of all the participants in the description box. For DIY number 2, I'm going to use this wooden sled from Dollar Tree, and this is so cute. I thought I should give a new look to it. I'm painting the same white paint, and I'm going to give a couple of coats to it to get like nice coverage. And my sled is ready to be decorated, and I have this beautiful window cling, and I took the sign Joy, and it is perfectly fitting the sled. So I'm just taking this matte Mod Podge. I'm just taking few droplets of it and then spreading it and attaching this Joy sign on top of it, and I'm also going to give like a couple of coats on top of it so it just stays secured. I just got this Christmas decor piece from another sign. It has got everything. It's got greenery. It has got some red berries and pine cones and one of the burlap bow. So all I have to do is stick it on the top and it is done. So what do you think? For DIY number 3, I'm going to use some of the picture frames from Dollar Tree and some trucks that I use for fall, and I'm going to use for the Christmas project. Basically, I'm going to paint them red and make it look a little brighter. And I removed the back part of the picture frame, and I'm trying to attach this painted red truck in the front, just like so. And I have this small brushed green color Christmas tree, and I'm just trying to attach it on back of the truck, just like that. The truck fits just perfectly into the tiny frame. And I have this candy cane from my previous project, and I'm going to attach him in this one corner, just like that. And I wanted to decorate the truck a little bit, so I have this tiny piece of red and black bluffer checkered ribbon, and I'm going to just give like a bow kind of a look to it by twist it a little bit and attach to the truck, just like that. And I'm taking some of this berry pieces and attaching it on top of the ribbon, just like so. I think this is done. So what do you think? You have to let me know in the comment section. This is such a quick hack I wanted to show you, and this is one of the cute reindeer from Dollar Tree. He's like got like a little bit of shine, just like a snow kind of a look to it. So I'm just rubbing the back because it's got a little bump. I wanted to attach in one of this shadow frame that I've been using for most of my projects. So it's going along with the theme, so I thought I will use it one more time, and I attached him in the center like that. He looks just fine like that, but I wanted to decorate a little more. I took some of this Christmas decoration with holly leaves, some red berries and some pine cones, and this is so done. So what do you think? This is the result of my decorated tier tray with Christmas decor. Just want to give you a glance of everything. And I'll start with the top this time. And this is one of the beautiful reindeer from Dollar Tree. He's so beautiful already. All he needs is a frame to get into. Of this, my old shadow box. So I just decorated on top with some more Christmas pigs. And that's all it needs. Gorgeous with all this. I'm so loving it. Let me know your thoughts on this. And I decorated with some tiny Christmas trees. And that is one of the birdhouse. And one pine cone, one Christmas themed candle. My top tier. And here I created this sled, painted white, and stuck one of this window cling, which is so beautiful, and it's fitting perfect in that size, so I thought this should go in here. And some Christmas decorative piece on top, and that calls it done. And this is another beautiful, cute green frame. I just love that color. Red truck from the fall decor pieces, and I just removed the fall pieces and I stuck the Christmas tree over there, and some tiny ribbon if you can see, and some berry picks, and I have this candy cane in one corner, and that's another one that I'm doing here. And this one is one of the snow globe, the gift wrap paper, which has got beautiful plaid, red and green. Mary I painted white, and I stuck green gingham ribbon around it, and as a bow with a button. That's all it needs, and it's so beautiful. Let me know your thoughts on this. And the snowman is from my another project. Put him also in here, and you can see a Santa from my previous project, and some gnome, and the Christmas truck, the Christmas tree. Those are all from my previous projects, and some garland to decorate, and that's all it needs. And my tier tray looks so gorgeous. I'm just loving each and everything. I hope you also will feel the same way. Let me know which is your favorite in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching and working along with me, if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you would consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.